For more than 7 decades, OJSC, Minsk Civil Aviation Plant number 407, in Belarus has been engaged in the repair and maintenance of civil aviation aircraft. During this period, the plant's personnel gained the ability to repair and maintain 12 distinct aircraft types, ranging from the Li-2 to the most recent Russian-made aircraft, such as the Tu-214 and RRJ-95, which was later renamed SSJ-100. The plant was recognized by the Presidium of the Supreme Soviet of the USSR on February 8, 1971, with the Order of the Red Banner of Labor and a Certificate of Honor for its early completion of the 5-year plan targets, the development and implementation of advanced technologies in aircraft repair, and the assurance of the production of high-quality products. The plant's labor activities were consistently extolled by the leadership of the Soviet Union and the Republic of Belarus in the years that followed. The production capabilities and development prospects of the enterprise were examined by President of the Republic of Belarus, Alexander Lukashenko, during his visit to the facility on August 11, 2023. The head of state expressed his gratitude to the workforce for their successful completion of the new facility during a meeting. Currently, the plant is a prominent industrial enterprise in the Republic of Belarus, specializing in the repair and maintenance of a diverse array of aircraft. Vladimir Vladimirovich Pekarsky serves as the general director. OJSC Minsk Civil Aviation Plant number 407 engages in a variety of industrial activities, such as the repair of Tu-134 and Yak-40 aircraft, periodic maintenance of IL-76TTD, Tu-214, SSJ-100, Airbus A318, A319, A320, A27, and Boeing 737 aircraft, cabin reconfiguration and modernization. It also manufactures parts and assemblies and components. Other activities include painting and other aviation-related services. The facility is outfitted with modern equipment, production capacities, and infrastructure, which facilitate the repair and maintenance of a wide range of aircraft. The workforce consists of younger workers who are capable of providing high-quality service to Russian and Western-made aircraft, as well as unique technical specialists with decades of experience in repairing Soviet aviation equipment. The plant also provides targeted training to students in technical and engineering specialties at pertinent universities and colleges. Key strategic development directions for the plant include the production of parts and assemblies for aircraft, such as the Tu-214 and MC-21, as well as the expertise in the repair and maintenance of modern Russian aircraft, including the SSJ-100 and Tu-214. These activities are executed in close collaboration with Russian aviation manufacturers. The Federal Air Transport Agency Russia has granted the facility certifications for maintenance services. It was certified in 2022 to maintain SSJ-100 aircraft equipped with SIM-140 and RE-220RJ auxiliary power units. It was certified in 2024 to maintain Tu-14 aircraft equipped with TA-1260 APUs and PS-90A engines. Beginning in 2023, the facility has been developing small-scale production of parts, assemblies, and ground support equipment for Tu-214, MC-21, and IL-76MD aircraft. Production capacities are being increased. Technological equipment, including milling machining centers and lathes, is being acquired, and production processes are being optimized and enhanced. Siemens Digital Industry Software has devised the NX automated design system to perform design work. Currently, the facility has achieved the capability of producing over 200 types of parts and assemblies for the airframes of the MC-21 and Tu-214 aircraft in serial production. The selection of manufactured parts and assemblies for these aircraft is consistently expanding. The plant's strategic objective is to establish itself as a one-stop store for potential customers, providing a comprehensive array of aviation services through the establishment of a center of competence. A hangar for aircraft painting and maintenance was commissioned in April 2024 as part of this concept. The hangar was built in accordance with the most modern requirements for aircraft washing and painting procedures. During its construction, advanced design solutions were implemented for the ventilation, filtration, temperature control, power supply, and illumination systems. The facility is equipped to perform painting services on a variety of aircraft, including the application of airline liveries and the use of either Russian or Western paint systems as requested by customers. The plant is currently engaged in a productive and close partnership with a variety of Russian aviation companies, including Tupolev JSC, Kazan Aviation Plant named after SP Gorbanov, a branch of Tupolev JSC, Yakovlev PJSC, its branch Irkutsk Aviation Plant, Ilyushin PJSC, its branch Aviastar, Aerocomposite JSC, Beriev Aircraft Company PJSC, State Transport Company Russia, and many others. The geography and scope of business contacts and cooperative relationships are constantly expanding. The workforce of the plant values the trust of its Russian counterparts and its reputation as a dependable business partner who is capable of completing the most intricate and responsible repair and maintenance tasks with a high level of quality. Now, do you think the Minsk Civil Aviation Plant is just a maintenance, repair, and overhaul company with minor production capabilities? Let us know in the comment. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.